I fitted the new rear brake handbrake lever today, including the new choke cable. This shows the foot pedal that operates the cable to the rear brake, and you can see the handbrake cable there, the silver clevis, just is overridden there when just the foot brake's operated by itself. That's it showing it closer up. Handbrake lever being operated, and it's pulling the foot brake lever there, which in turn pulls the rear brake cable on. Fitting the handbrake cable and the new choke cable involves stripping all of the bodywork off the bike and removing the battery so I could route the cables down through the handlebars and over the fuel tank.